Still relying on daily walks to stay strong after 60? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's something better, something deeper? These 5 exercises don't just replace walking. They restore your strength, sharpen your balance, and make you feel young again, from the inside out. And the best part? You can do them right at home. No gym, no stress. Just real, powerful movement made for your body. If you're 60, 70, or even 80, this message is your new beginning. Stay with me, because your journey back to strength starts now. If you're over 60, 70, or even 80, and you've been told that walking is enough to stay strong, I want to tell you something gently, but honestly. It's not. Not anymore. Now, before you click away, hear me out. Because walking is beautiful. It clears your mind, keeps your legs moving, and helps you feel alive. But if your body has changed, if your energy dips faster, if your knees ache, or your balance feels just a little off, then walking alone may no longer be giving you what you truly need to stay youthful, strong, and confident in your own skin. And that's what this message is about. This isn't just another list of exercises. It's about reclaiming something deeper. So if you're still here, thank you. This could change how you move and how you feel for the rest of your life. And if this already speaks to something inside you, tap the like button so more people like you can find it too. Let's begin by gently rewriting the story around walking. You see, walking gets your body in motion, and that's a powerful thing. But as we grow wiser with age, our bodies ask for something more. Not just more movement, but more purposeful movement. We need exercises that awaken our muscles, that restore our balance, that rebuild our strength and reconnect us to the simple joy of being alive. That's where these 5 sacred movements come in. I call them the 5 hidden forces of youth, because each one unlocks something walking can't give you anymore. You don't need a gym. You don't need heavy equipment. Just your body, your breath, and the willingness to begin. 1. The chair stand of strength. Find a sturdy chair. Sit gently. Then slowly rise. Then sit again. No rush, just presence. Every time you rise, you send a signal to your body. I still have power. Do this 5 to 10 times daily. This one movement improves leg strength, balance, and protects the independence that keeps you free. 2. The wall push of heart. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands shoulder width apart. Lean in, then gently push away. This is a gentle push-up, done with kindness, not force. It wakes up your arms, chest, and shoulders. It gets your blood flowing. And more than that, it connects breath with heartbeat. Do it a few times each day, and you'll start to feel more open, more energized, and more alive. If this is helping so far, let me know in the comments. I read every single one, and I truly want to hear from you. 3. The Tai Chi Reach. Stand or sit tall. Slowly reach your arms forward in soft, circular motions, like you're moving through water. Shift your weight gently side to side if you're standing. This exercise improves coordination, balance, and mental clarity. It's not about doing it perfectly. It's about letting your body flow again. This one feels like a quiet dance with the air, and it brings back grace. 4. The seated knee lift. While sitting, gently lift one knee toward your chest. Hold, breathe, lower, repeat on the other side. This movement wakes up your core, hips, and lower back. It supports posture. It improves digestion. It strengthens the muscles that keep you steady and upright. Each lift is a message to your body. I am engaged. I am awake. 5. The breath flow stretch. Stand or sit tall. Inhale as you raise your arms overhead. Exhale as you gently lower them to your sides. This is more than a stretch. It's a calming ritual. It soothes your nervous system. It brings oxygen to your brain. And it tells your body, you are safe. You are healing. You can do all of these in just 5 minutes a day, or begin with just one. The goal isn't perfection, it's presence. These aren't just exercises. They are invitations to reconnect with your energy, your balance, and your joy. If you turn them into a daily ritual, even slowly, you'll start to feel it. The lightness in your step, the steadiness in your breath, the quiet confidence as you move through your day. So I ask you now, which of these 5 exercises will you begin today? Leave a comment below. Let's grow together in this space. And if this message touched your heart, please like and share it. It helps this video reach more people who need to hear it. And if you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to the Wisdom Aurora. This channel is your space for healing, strength, and the truth about aging with power. Remember this, you are not too old. You are not too late. You are not fading. You are rising into your wisdom, your strength, and your true self. One breath at a time, one movement at a time, one sacred day at a time. Let's keep walking this path together.